How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Cash App is a mobile payment service available in the United States and United Kingdom that allows users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. It is free to send and receive money, stocks, or Bitcoin within the Cash App. It is a financial services platform and not a bank. If you are looking to send money on Cash App without identity verification, then watch this video till the end. While it is possible to use Cash App without verification, there are some limitations. For example, you will not be able to send or receive more than $250 per week, and you will not be able to use Cash App Cash Card. Now, in order to use Cash App without verification, you first of all want to download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then you will have to create an account by entering your phone number and email address. Now, you can skip the identity verification process. Now, in order to send a payment, you first of all want to enter the amount. Then tap on the pay option. Now, enter an email address, phone number, or cash tag. Then enter what the payment is for. After that, tap on the pay option. Once you do that, the money will be sent. However, without the identity verification, you will only be able to send or receive less than $250 per week. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.